In this video, we listed the 5 best frying pans that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Storb Iron 10-inch Fry Pan. The Storb cast iron cookware, made in France, offers a stylish white finish and a capacity of 2.32 quarts, making it both functional and aesthetically pleasing for any kitchen. Designed for versatility, it is oven-safe up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit 482 degrees Celsius and features a smooth enamel bottom that is compatible with all types of stovetops, including gas, electric, glass, ceramic, induction, and halogen. Each piece is unique, showcasing individual craftsmanship, and is equipped with convenient pouring spouts for easy fat removal, enhancing its practicality for cooking enthusiasts. Number 2. OXO Good Grips Frying Pan. The OXO hard anodized non-stick aluminum cookware is designed for durability and performance, featuring a hard anodized body that ensures excellent heat conduction and scratch resistance. With a 3-layer, German-engineered non-stick coating, it allows for healthier cooking with less oil while promising longevity in use. The sturdy stainless steel handle is wrapped in stay-cool silicone for a secure grip, enhancing safety during cooking. A durable glass lid lets users monitor their cooking without losing heat, and the cookware is oven-safe up to 390 degrees Fahrenheit 200 degrees Celsius, making it versatile for various recipes. Although compatible with most stovetops, it does not work with induction cooktops, and hand washing is recommended for maintenance. Its sleek black finish adds a modern touch to any kitchen. Number 3. Ninja C326 Fry Pan. The Ninja cookware set is a high-quality, durable kitchen essential designed to deliver exceptional performance and convenience. Made from aluminum with a hard anodized exterior, it resists scratches and ensures long-lasting use. Its NevaStick technology features a superheated, plasma ceramic surface fused with an exclusive non-stick coating that prevents sticking, chipping, or flaking, backed by a 10-year guarantee when used as directed. This cookware is compatible with gas, electric, and induction stovetops and is oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing seamless transitions from stovetop to oven. It boasts ergonomic stainless steel handles for comfort and strength, a tempered glass lid with a stainless steel rim for moisture retention and visibility, and an aluminum base designed for quick, even heat distribution. With 30% more aluminum than the Ninja Foodie NevaStick Essential C100 series, it improves heat retention for perfect results. The cookware also supports versatile cooking methods like searing, sautéing, frying, baking, roasting, and broiling, offering the performance of stainless steel without needing extra oil or butter. Its sleek slate gray design complements its premium functionality. Number 4. Bjar Frying Pan. The Bjar Black Steel Fry Pan is a durable and versatile kitchen tool made from high-quality steel. With a diameter of 10¼ inches and a height of 2 inches, it features a heavy-duty construction suitable for all hob types, including induction. Its gray color and steel material ensure longevity, and it can be seasoned to create a natural non-stick surface, extending its lifespan. The pan includes a strong steel strip handle for ease of use and is dishwasher safe for convenient cleaning. It has a capacity of 4 liters, making it suitable for various cooking needs. Note that proper seasoning with medium heat is essential for optimal performance. Number 5. Allclad D3 Fry Pan. The Allclad 12-inch stainless steel fry pan is a premium, durable cookware option made with tri-ply construction for even heat distribution and retention, making it ideal for various cooking techniques. Crafted from high-quality 18/10 stainless steel, it offers professional performance, with a polished finish and double-riveted handles for a secure grip. This fry pan is oven and broiler safe up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, compatible with all stovetops including induction, and is backed by Allclad's limited lifetime warranty. While dishwasher safe, hand washing is recommended for longevity. Proudly bonded, engineered, and assembled in Canonsburg, Pennsylvania, USA since 1971, this fry pan combines functionality and design trusted by generations of chefs.